In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of appealing and getting your business portfolio reinstated. So as you can see here, it says that we restricted your business. Also come here, it says you can't use this business portfolio to advertise. And so it is disabled. So when you tap on see details, it will bring you to the business support home to appeal. Now, let me tell you the reason why business portfolio sometimes will get restricted. There are several reasons. Number one reason why your business portfolio may get restricted is if you set up a new business portfolio. Sometimes they just want to verify your identity and confirm that you are doing a legit business. That is why they are restricting it. Now, the second reason why they may restrict your business is that you have violated Facebook policies. If you frequently violate Facebook policies or you run ads that are not in compliance with Facebook and Meta advertising policies, they will restrict you. So those are the two major reasons. It may also just be a mistake. Most of the time, it could just be a mistake. So once it's a mistake, you have to appeal and verify your identity. Okay, before you appeal, they will ask you for identity verification. So come here, and then when you come to your Facebook home, let me show you a few changes you must make before. When you come to your Facebook home, you tap on your profile picture at the top right hand corner. And then you go to settings, and then go to settings again. From there, you go to see more in account center. And from there, you go to, you come and check your date of birth. Make sure that it is tallying with the identity verification document you want to use. And there are 4 main verification documents you can use. You can use your national identity, you can use passport, you can use driving license, and you can use voter ID. So those are the 4 major ones you can use. So you can also come to the profile name. Make sure you check the first and last name. Make sure that it is matching with your real information. After that is matching, come back to where they are saying appeal. When you come back to business support home, then you tap on request review. It will ask you to confirm you are HIMA. So you tap on the box. They said we should select both. I can see about just 3 of them. So let me verify. They said continue. So you tap on continue. They will ask for your phone number. So you look for your country. So you put a phone number and tap on send code, and then they will send you a code. So you put it and then click on continue. Now they will also ask of your email, and then doing this, make sure you are using the email connected to the account. So you also put the email and then tap on send code. So they will send you the code. So you put the code and tap on next. Now they will ask you for your ID card. So you upload your ID. Now sometimes you may upload the ID card and they will say the size is too small. If they say the size is too small, and normally they want the size to be 1500 by 1000 pixels, you can come and go to onlineconverter.com and then select that you're converting it from, you can select convert to image. Convert to image, okay. Image converter, where is it? I can't even see it. Image converter. So convert to JPEG. So you select JPEG, and then you select 1500 by 1000, and then you upload the picture. Then you tap on start. After that, you download it. When you download it, come back and then re-upload it. It will work. Okay, so you continue. Now it will say you hear back from us within 4 days. So most of the time, that's what they will tell you. But from my experience, once it is a new account you are creating and they just suspended you, when you do this, within even sometimes 30 minutes, it will be reinstated. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem doing an appeal and reinstating your business portfolio, you can follow the comments in the comment section. You can check, if you check the comments, you will see my WhatsApp and Telegram link to contact us, and I will help you get everything done. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.